The next global transformation will be cognitive, not merely financial or digital. Intelligence is fast becoming the new infrastructure, where thought itself functions as currency and cognition flows seamlessly through economic systems. Neural interfaces and embedded AI frameworks are converging, dissolving boundaries between human consciousness and machine driven value exchange. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. In this world, value isn't transferred, it's embedded. Each action, intent, or decision becomes a transactional signal carrying meaning and measurable economic impact. As financial intent begins to travel through neural pathways, traditional safeguards like consent, privacy, and accountability must be completely redefined. Trust will shift from institutions to intelligence itself, demanding robust governance frameworks to protect digital sovereignty and identity in the cognitive economy. New neuro settlement systems will enable autonomous, auditable value exchange between humans and machines, governed by transparency and adaptive ethics. Through embedded economies, cognition, computation, and capital merge into a unified brain chain, a network where organic and artificial intelligences transact directly. This paradigm redefines value creation not by speed of exchange but by the intent, awareness, and integrity behind each transaction. The true wealth of the future lies not in money but in the consciousness that moves it. Let's look into today's headlines. Income Tax Department withdraws long-running Vodafone tax dispute. The Income Tax Department has withdrawn its long-pending rupees 8,500 crore transfer pricing case against Vodafone Idea Services. The decision effectively ends a dispute that has been ongoing for more than a decade. The department's counsel appeared before a Supreme Court bench headed by Chief Justice B.R. Gawai seeking permission to withdraw the case. The court granted the request, bringing closure to one of India's most prominent tax disputes involving a multinational telecom operator. Google Chrome can now autofill users' license number and passport details. Google has updated its Chrome browser to expand the autofill feature beyond basic information like addresses, passwords, and payment details. The new update will allow Chrome to autofill additional fields such as passport numbers, driver's license details, and vehicle information like the license plate or VIN. The updates are rolling out globally in all languages. Users who enable the enhanced autofill option will be able to fill out more complex online forms automatically. After iOS, OpenAI's Sora app arrives on Android. After launching for iOS in September, OpenAI has launched the Sora app for the Android platform. In a post on X, the official handle of Sora announced its availability for Android users. The Sora app is powered by OpenAI's latest video and audio generation model Sora 2, which has been designed to improve realism, physics consistency, and controllability in AI-generated media. The Sora app works similar to Meta AI's Vibes feature, which also lets users generate, remix, and browse AI-made video and audio clips. WhatsApp's new Apple Watch app brings support for chats and voice notes. WhatsApp has introduced a new app for Apple Watch that lets users read messages, reply, and manage chats without reaching for their iPhone. Users can now view and respond to messages, check incoming calls, send voice notes, and react to chats directly from their wrist. The update expands WhatsApp's functionality on Apple Watch beyond basic notifications while keeping all messages and calls protected with end-to-end encryption. NVIDIA and Deutsche Telekom to build €1 billion AI cloud center. In Europe's latest bid to catch up in the global AI race, NVIDIA and Deutsche Telekom said that a €1 billion, that is $1.1 billion industrial artificial intelligence hub will soon be launched in Germany. The center will enable companies in Europe, from major organizations to startups, to use AI in processes ranging from design to robotics via secure IT infrastructure on the continent. The move marks an attempt by Europe to make up lost ground in the battle of AI dominance, with the United States and China currently in the lead. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.